digital gold. Bitcoin is the first and most valuable cryptocurrency. Coin, a cryptocurrency that runs on its own blockchain, different from tokens, which rely on another blockchain to operate. Altcoin, any cryptocurrency that isn't Bitcoin. Gas fees, fees paid to run transactions or smart contracts on blockchains like Ethereum. These fees are measured in units called gwei. Meme coin, a cryptocurrency inspired by jokes or memes on the internet. Stablecoin, a cryptocurrency designed to maintain a steady value, usually pegged to the US dollar. Satoshi Nakamoto, the anonymous person or group who created Bitcoin. Satoshi, the smallest unit of Bitcoin, like a penny, but for Bitcoin. Bull market, bear market. A bull market means prices are rising. A bear market means prices are falling. Market cap, the total value of a cryptocurrency, calculated by multiplying its price by the number of coins in circulation. Blockchain, a digital ledger that records transactions in a series of connected blocks. The information is secure, publicly accessible, and can't be changed once it's added. Block reward, new coins given to miners who compete for the opportunity to validate transactions and secure the network. Halving, a Bitcoin event that cuts miner rewards in half every 4 years. This slows down how much new Bitcoin enters the market, helping prevent inflation by keeping supply limited. Decentralized, not controlled by one person, company, or government. For example, Bitcoin is decentralized because thousands of computers around the world run the network instead of a single organization. Forks, changes to a blockchain software. Sometimes these versions can create a new version of the chain. For example, Bitcoin Cash was created from a fork of Bitcoin when developers disagreed on how to scale the network. Exchange, a platform where you buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrency. Wallet, a tool used to store your crypto and make transactions. It doesn't hold the coins themselves. It holds the keys that allow you to access them. Seed phrase, a list of words that can recover your wallet if it's lost or you forgot the password. Anyone who has these words can access your crypto, so they must be kept private and stored safely. HODL, slang for holding your crypto long term, no matter what the market does. FOMO, fear of missing out. It's the emotional rush to buy coins when prices are climbing fast. Rug pull, a crypto scam where developers abandon the project and run off with the funds. DApps, decentralized applications. Apps similar to the ones on your smartphone, but built on a blockchain instead of being controlled by a single company. DeFi, decentralized finance. Financial tools like lending, borrowing, and trading built on blockchains. Smart contract, code on a blockchain that runs automatically when certain conditions are met. No middleman needed. Example, when you buy an NFT, a smart contract automatically transfers ownership as soon as your payment is confirmed. Diamond hands, holding on to crypto no matter how volatile the market gets.